Hello students. Yesterday we studied to write 9-digit numbers in Indian place value chart. Do you know we have another form of place value chart called International Place Value Chart. Today we will study about International Place Value Chart. Observe this place value chart carefully. There are three periods: ones, thousands, and millions. Ones period has three places: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousand period, three places: thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million period, again three places: millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. We all know about Indian place value chart. See, ones period, three places: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period, two places: thousands, 10,000s. Lakhs period, two places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crore period, crores and 10 crores. If we observe these two place value charts, we compare these two charts, what will we say? Name of the places up to 10,000s are same. After 10,000, in Indian place value, it comes 1 lakhs, and in international it becomes 100,000s. So 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. If we observe 10 lakhs, this is equal to 1 millions. So 10 lakhs is equal to 1 millions. If we observe 10 millions, here is 10 million. This is equal to 1 crore. So we can write here 10 millions is equal to 1 crores. Now, what we have observed till now, in international place value chart, the 9 places of a 9-digit number are grouped into 3 periods. These are ones, thousands and millions. Now the name of places are clear to all of you. Let us try to read some 9-digit numerals in international system of numeration. Our first step, insert commas according to international place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, that is after 3 places. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, again after 3 places. Then millions, 10 million, 100 million. Let us mark commas in next two numbers also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. Let us try to write their number names. Mark the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Then lakh, million, 10 million, 100 million. How to read this number? 345 million. What we will say? 345 million. Then 629 thousand, and last is 19. Clear? One more: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 148 million. Then 30 . 1000. Next 681. Are you observing what I am doing? I speak these three places together and then name of the period. Again these three places together, then name of the period. Again three places together, and in one's period we don't speak the name of the period. Last number, mark the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 982 million, then 53,000, then 9. Hope you all have understood how to write the number names in international place value, international system of numeration. Now I have prepared one assignment. Try to solve the questions of this assignment. Thank you.